One of the biggest misconceptions about Salesforce is that when people get frustrated with it, the problem is always Salesforce itself. A lot of times, it's not. It's the experience around how Salesforce is managed. If you talk to enough Salesforce admins, you start hearing the same frustrations over and over again. One of the biggest ones is unrealistic expectations. Admins are often treated like they're supposed to be part CRM strategist, part developer, part data analyst, part support desk, and part magician, all at the same time. Businesses say, can Salesforce do this? And instead of asking whether it should be done, everything gets pushed into the system. Over time, that creates complexity. Another major frustration is constant reactive work. A lot of Salesforce admins never get the chance to improve the system strategically because they're buried in tickets, urgent requests, broken processes, and executive fire drills. So instead of building a clean, scalable CRM, they're just surviving day by day. Then there's the issue of ownership. Many companies say Salesforce is important, but nobody actually owns the business process side of it. So admins end up stuck between departments that all want different things. Sales wants one workflow. Operation wants another. Leadership wants reports yesterday. And the admin becomes the referee instead of the architect. Another big frustration is when companies over-customize their Salesforce. At first it feels productive, more automation, more fields, more flows, more exceptions. But eventually, the system becomes fragile. Nobody wants to touch anything because one small change might break 5 other things. Honestly, one of the most overlooked frustrations is that good Salesforce work is often invisible. When the system works smoothly, nobody notices. People only notice Salesforce when something breaks. So admins spend years preventing disasters, maintaining the system, cleaning up bad data, and keeping operations running, while mostly hearing about the problems instead of their wins. The reality is that a healthy Salesforce environment requires partnership, clear priorities, business ownership, reasonable expectations, and to focus on simplification instead of endless customization. Because the best Salesforce systems usually aren't the most complicated. They're the ones that make the business easier to run.